Zijin Mining is a large multinational metal mining group engaged in the exploration and development of gold, copper, zinc, and battery metals worldwide. In the past 29 years, we committed ourselves to mining development and continue to create significant economic and social values and opportunities across the world. In 2021, Zijin Mining hit a new record in financial performance. We generated a consolidated revenue of $34.9 billion and a consolidated net profit attributable to owners of the parent of $2.4 billion, ranking 324th in the Forbes Global 2000 list. In the Q1 2022 alone, we achieved a consolidated net profit attributable to owners of the parent of $1 billion. We believe in development for all. To date, Zijin has paid $10.7 billion in taxes and fees. We have also implemented diversified community assistance programs covering healthcare, education, agriculture, infrastructure, and resettlement. Kong Shanjiao, a 98-year-old man from China, is one of the 17,000 seniors aged over 80 who has received financial assistance from Zijin. We launched the assistance program for the elderly and orphans in Changhang County. Kong has been receiving subsidies from us for 144 consecutive months. The initiative won the China Charity Award, the highest charitable honor bestowed in China. Didier Higuita is the founder of Cafe Panorama in Antioquia, Colombia. With our help, his coffee was featured in the China International Import Expo in Shanghai. Our Sow for the Future agricultural program has brought many small coffee businesses to the global market. In Kolwezi, Democratic Republic of Congo, we signed the 2021 to 2025 Community Project Task Statement with 8 surrounding communities. Under this agreement, we will launch and fund more than 20 community projects within 5 years. In Bor, Serbia, we funded the construction of a drinking water supply system. This old village where residents long relied on wells for water now has tap water. These are just a few of the many initiatives that our donations, worth $0.5 billion to date, have made possible for our neighboring communities. Just as importantly, we have created 44,000 direct jobs and 96% of our employees are locals. This ensures a stable income for tens of thousands of families. Our employees come from diverse backgrounds, regardless of their nationality, race, gender, or religious belief. All are treated equally and fairly. We're also committed to protecting human rights, health and safety of our employees throughout the world. We care deeply about the environmental impact of mining development, as this concerns our long-term sustained development and our commitment to responsible business practices. We follow the highest standards in environmental protection as possible, no matter where a mine is located. Our vision is to become a green, high-tech, leading global mining company. At our mine sites, we are working to meet our own targets set for tackling global climate change, use of clean energy, low-carbon development, land use and restoration, and the protection of water resources and biodiversity. In Shanghai, China, a circular economy industrial chain has been built for our smelters, leading to lower levels of energy consumption than industry standards. In Bor, Serbia, the water in the Robiu Lake was red due to excessive metal pollution. Since we began to operate in Bor, we funded the construction of a wastewater treatment facility on the lakeside to improve the water quality around the lake. In Tibet, China, the roof of the world, we developed a vegetation planting plan suitable for cold and high altitude areas, turning the once barren landscape into a sea of flowers. In Lualaba, Democratic Republic of Congo, the Kamo-Kakula project is a heavy user of hydropower. According to an independent audit carried out by Hatch Limited of Canada, the copper mine will have one of the lowest greenhouse gas emissions per unit of copper produced in the world. We also established a biodiversity protection mechanism and strive to live in harmony with nature. Many of our mine sites are frequented by migratory birds, red foxes, chameleons, capuchin monkeys, red-mantled rosefinches, capybaras, and more. Through our efforts, we have built 13 national-level green mines and 5 national-level green factories in China. Our carbon emission intensity and water consumption intensity continue to decline, while our utilization rate of renewable energy, reuse rate of general waste, and rate of reclaimable land keep increasing. And all this is just the beginning. For Zijin is guided by advanced, modern mining concepts and technologies, based on mineral economics and a systematic approach to engineering. We developed the 5-in-1 mining and operational model for green and efficient resource development. We have core technologies in geological exploration, hydrometallurgy, comprehensive recovery and utilization of low-grade refractory resources, and large-scale development of such resources. We also operate many leading scientific and technological innovation platforms. Our pursuit of mining for a better society is also supported by our strong growth prospects. By production volume, Zijin is already the 9th largest copper miner and the 12th largest gold miner in the world. We hold 62.77 million tons of copper reserves, ranking number 7 among our global peers. We also have 76.29 million ounces of gold reserves, number 9 in the world. With several large mines put into production, we are scheduled to produce 1,000 to 1,100,000 tons of mined copper and 2,572 to 2,894,000 ounces of mined gold in 2025. We also have entered the renewable energy sector, acquiring 9.13 million tons of lithium carbonate equivalent and aiming to produce 50,000 tons of lithium carbonate per annum by 2025. As our business grows, we will help improve the lives of more people and help to create a brighter future for all. We are Zijin Mining, friend from the East. With joint efforts, we wish to bring dreams and hopes to the land we work on, and to share with you an even brighter future.